the rare opportunity of letting the chickens out myself this morning. Looks like my old coop needs repair. The wind blew the part of the roof off. Okay, let's see what happens. Got mom and babies in here. Shiloh's out here wondering, okay, what's going on? Oh, there's Gracie right there, and one of the babies. Oh, she's calling him. Come, come, come. Come, come. Time to come. And the other one here. Well, there's Shahiin. But he knows to leave her alone. She's a mama. He's not going to mess with her. So, oh, well, maybe he will. Okay, there's another baby. She's running. And there's one of the other hens. If he does catch her, that'll be what encourages her to let the babies be on their own. They're old enough now. And here's one of the youngsters, one of the young roosters there. They're learning how to crow. Here they come. Oh, I must get away. Oh, there's another young one. Right now I have 4 older young roosters. And they will obviously not be staying. He's on the rampage. Who is next? Come on. I need some company. He's over there. There's Layla thinking about coming out. And he's like, oh, oh, oh. Who's coming next? Somebody else is going to make a break for it. She's still thinking about it, and they're like, oh, it's cozy warm in here. Should we stay? It's actually a little cool out this morning. And wet. It rained last night, I think. Ooh, oh, he caught her. There are more in there. Oh, there they come. Yeah. I just threw this thing together with a big old branch and a couple of loose sawhorses that I had are laying around. I do use it. I kind of like it. It's not even nailed together or anything. It's just held together by gravity and just figuring it out. Those bear goldies are getting some more feathers on them. They're still a little more bare than I like, but they're getting there. All among some flowers. Some are going over to where the food is. Hi, Gigi, you gonna come out? There she comes. She's about 5 years old, I think. Still laying eggs. And that is Kira, I think. Here comes the oldest of the youngsters. I do end up naming them, but all the ones, these colors are Nilo, and this is the oldest, so he's Nilo the first. Nilo is a the bad guy character in my kids' stories that they're writing. Since they're leaving, they're called Milo. He's gonna see who he can go find. Oh, there's Nova over there. She hasn't started laying eggs yet. And well, some of the ladies, a bunch of them, I can see 5 from here, still thinking about coming out. I don't think I'm gonna wait for them, because it's chilly out here. I'm ready to go inside.